Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create this everyday kind of makeup look with minimum products. So let's get started with the video. Before starting the video, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to notify my future update. For daily makeup, for the foundation, I use this CC cream. This is a CC cream on the shade beige. I just take little amount and apply all over my face. On daily basis, I don't use any brushes or beauty blender to blend foundation. Now again, I'm going to take a little amount of CC cream and then just apply underneath the eye. So my under eyes are a little bit concealed. Now I'm going to set this with powder. Using this eyebrow pencil to fill my brows. Now I'm going to move on eye makeup. For eye makeup, I'm using this shade. This is a creamy kind of shade. Now I'm using kajal pencil for under eyes. And for the daily basis, I'm not using eyeliner. I'm just using this mascara to open up my eyes. Now I'm using this little bit blusher on my cheeks. Just little bit blusher. Now I'm going to finishing this makeup with lipstick. So this is the final look after doing my entire makeup. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give me some thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to notify my future update. We'll see you very soon. Bye bye.